In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to enable private browsing on iPhone. To enable private browsing on iPhone, the first thing you want to do, you want to scroll to the to your Safari. You want to open up your Safari on your iPhone. So once you open up your Safari on your iPhone, if you will see here, if you let's do these things. Let me come here. Okay, this is my Safari. So what I want you to do here to open the private or to enable the private browsing on this Safari, what I want you to do here, I want you to tap on the tabs button. Just tap on the tabs button. So just tap on it once. So once you tap on the tabs button once, then you want to swipe to private. So let's swipe to private. So once you tap on private, then you want to tap on done. If you check the bottom right corner, you are going to see where it says done. I want you to tap on that done. So once you tap on done, this will be switched to private. So anything you do here is on private browsing. So guys, this is how you can actually enable the private browsing, or you can swipe to private browsing on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.